How to verify PrizePicks account? First, you just need to go to your deposit page and you can see they asking the last four digit of your SSN number. You just need to enter the last four digit of your SSN number. Then you just need to verify your information that you have entered in your account with your ID, that government issued ID or driver license or passport. The like if your account isn't automatically verified after your sign up, that's mean we need more information before we can verify your identity. To complete this process, you only need your smartphone and government issued ID such as driver license or a passport. If you follow the instruction in the app, the verification process will take less than 2 minutes. That's right, you just need to click a photo of your valid document that are issued by your government. You just need to take the photo of both side of your document and you have to submit that photo in PrizePicks, and the authority of PrizePicks will verify you and your identity in PrizePicks account. And then after the verification, you can get a verified ID on PrizePicks. Just like I said earlier in this video, after submitting your ID, you will get verified. You will receive a notification that says verification successful. You will also be provided a link to the deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin playing PrizePicks. Remember that without any verification or any verified ID on PrizePicks, you can deposit money to your PrizePicks account. So you must need to first submit your ID and get verified, and make sure that your identity, that the information that you have given in the PrizePicks account is correctly matched with your valid document that you have submitted in PrizePicks. That's how you can get verified on PrizePicks. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.